here's a quick video to show you how to record your screen using the iPhone and the quick access menu. So go to Settings, click on Control Center, and then click on Customize Controls. Scroll down to find the screen recording option, and then you can move it around in this menu if you want to. That'll just adjust where it shows up on that menu that you swipe to access. And so here it is. On the iPhone, you swipe up and there's the recording option. Here's again on the iPad, just for another example, Control Center, Customize Controls, and then you find the screen recording, add plus, click plus, and then there it is up there. And if you want to move it around, you can. On the iPad, you swipe down to get to that menu, and then you can see that record button right there. So it gives you a little countdown. Then swipe up. Okay, to get rid of that, I'm used to the iPhone. And that's all there is to it.